In front of me is CUBOT Note 9, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. At first you need to open some area where you can input some text, so it can be, for example, new message, new mail, note, or something like this. Then just enter new conversation, and here you've got current language. So if you wish to change it, just open the settings, pick languages, and select Add Keyboard. Here you've got the list of all keyboards that you can apply. So the list is pretty long, you will definitely find something for you. And let me choose, for example, Hebrew. Tap on Done Then and remove unnecessary language. Smoothly go back, and as you can see, from now on this brand new keyboard language is available. So that would be all. This is it. You can change it whenever you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.